I made more than $21,000 on Amazon in 2 days. Don't believe me? Here we go. All right, here's my number on seller board, and 5,000, almost 6,000 of this was profit. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I used to find the products that I sold during these 2 days. All right. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos right there on YouTube about selling on Amazon. So if you're new, subscribe and like this video. So the strategy that I used was actually really simple. I used a tool that I developed that is called Arbitrage Stalker. All right. I'm going to show you how I actually used it. So what you want to do is you want to find a product that has been selling good for you this Q4, a great product that you found this Q4. Here's an example, okay? If you missed on this one, I'm sorry, it's too late. You could get this for $24.99 on Walmart, so sell this for $45.15, make a 21% return on investment, more or less, right? It was not selling that fast, but it's just for the sake of the example, all right? So what you want to do, quite simple, all right? First of all, you want to subscribe to Arbitrage Stalker. All right, here we go. So this is Arbitrage Stalker. Go to www.arbitragestalker.com. You're going to get a 14 days free trial. All right, just enter your email. You get a 14 days free trial. Watch this video. Is going to explain the tool. What the tool does is that it helps you source by tracking sellers that you are going to add to the tool, and the tool is going to send you notification whenever these sellers add a new product to their storefront. Either this or whenever they actually replan on a product, right? I have a ton of tutorial on how to use the tool, but I want to be really quick with what I'm going to show you today because it's a quick strategy. So, and by the way, you can actually still apply this starting today if you have one great Q4 lead. So what you want to do is you're going to go to the data tab and to the offer tab on Keepa. All right, let it load for a little bit. Here we go. And so what you want to do is this. You want to find 10 to 15 storefronts. You can do up to 20, right? You're going to choose 15 to 20 storefronts, choose them, get their seller IDs right there, and you are going to add it on Arbitrage Stalker this way. You go to Add Store, you create a monitor, all right? You call it whatever, and you copy and paste all their seller IDs right there, all right? What the tool is going to do is it's going to send you notifications right there on the web monitor or on Discord. You can actually use it on Discord. Let me actually show you. Let it load for a little bit. And so this is exactly what I've done to find all the leads that I sold to make this $20,000. All right, let me actually show you what it looks like. Here we go. All right, it's going to send you notifications on Discord just like this. This is the way we actually did. This is the way I actually sourced all these products, right? So you're going to get these products, you're going to get those notifications, and you want to check them all. You have a Keepa chart right there. All right, you're going to open this on Amazon, and you can click to open it straight on Google as well here. And here we go. That's what you're going to do, and you're going to check all these products. Quick sauce, all right? I'm literally sharing with you the strategy that I actually used. Get your free trial with Arbitrage Stalker. Okay, you're going to get a 14 days free trial, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.